Okay, here we go. A demo for you mofos. I'm gonna be dancing, prancing about. The smear job on prancing is about to fall out. This here is Adanac technique. Grab a speaker, put it here, but don't put it up too loudly. Be respectful towards your neighbors and their musical choices. Induction headphones are good for hearing noises and the acoustic of the room not blocked by an earbud, dude. One must find balance, and practicing vocal technique requires almost silence in order to develop the voice. So for developing the voice and the whole body really optimally is through efficiency and bouncing. So the vocal cords are bouncing very quickly, right? So we want to build from small to large, because if we just develop large, we miss the smaller frequencies, right? Those are the most important muscle groups that we have to not forget about. So that's why it's important to practice. We have to practice quietly, and we can practice loud, but to build our body efficiently is by starting small and precise. Precisivity. No, preciseness is the absolute key to Adanac technique. Precisely timed movements increase synaptic response between the neocortex and the motor cortex. So we're engaging our bioelectric field in our body, our bioelectric physiology, essentially by like bouncing off of or surfing. This is what it's going to feel like you're surfing and using your imagination. You're seeing the electromagnetic waves of the earth, right, passing over the plane of the earth, and you're bouncing with them. And an efficient bounce even is what, and imagine you're at a pump park, right? So you just have to stay on the pulse. So this is what music does to help us anchor in. But you can do this, start a beatboxing, prancing, rapping troupe. Go jogging together. And all be beatboxing and like rapping over top of it, improvising, right? Or rehearse stuff. But actually improvisation is what helps stimulate our mind as well to become more creative beings through music and dance, more improvisation, more individuality, and the music industry is really, and even the theater industry, like, has been killing creativity by not making more making it more acceptable to work on improvisation, right? Or seeing the importance of it, or releasing material that is improvisation, right? Who releases recordings of improvisations? Adanac Canada. Check it out on SoundCloud. It's like a no-brainer, right? And using kids' books as lyrics, improvising that. Like, yeah, Ariana Grande did it a year ago. It's like, yeah, I've been doing this since 2017, I guess. Like, yeah, so we want an efficient pulse. And the thing is that, like, we were thinking about our body as a motor. Man is a motor, right? You cut open the body like this and you look down at the diaphragm, it looks like an electric motor. So we're creating more, we're cutting more electromagnetic lines of flux. So that this is how an electric motor works. That's how it works. You cut electromagnetic lines of flux with a conductor. So there are conductors within our body, like we have electrons, everything is electrons. We have electron flow through our, our heart, through the blood, and our nervous system is sending electrical signals. So we're creating conductors, but we're moving efficiently in an organized fashion to get in sync with the earth, for it to stimulate our bodies, because the earth created us to protect it. And we're fucking up. We're fucking up big time. And it's giving us creative ideas to fix it, and people are hiding it. It's a pyramid scheme of knowledge. And the secrets are handed down with half the information every time, okay? And half-truths and lies are told as well. And once you start practicing Adonai technique, the veil will be lifted and you'll start to see and understand as well.